Something useful I found when using 3ds Max was using the working pivot. Early on I struggled to rotate objects around certain things and to get them to scale based on certain points. So something that fixed that was using working pivot. So first of all, you want to download and install 3ds Max. That can be seen on the Autodesk website. If you just log in to the homepage, click your profile and go to products and services. Mind you, this is with my student email at Swinburne, so you should all have access if you're a student. And it's just here. I would suggest you have the newest version unless told otherwise, but yeah, we can just install it, custom install. There's the other products that are available. So second, we want to select geometry to rotate and then select point to rotate around. So I've just used this file that we used for the gradient maps, just as we can rotate geometry around each other. So the first thing you want to go do is when you select these objects, there's this little tab here, I'm not sure what it's called, hierarchy, and if I wanted to rotate this ribbon around this object, I wouldn't really know how. I'd click probably select and rotate and then be lost because it's only rotating on its own axis, independent to itself, so I wouldn't really know where to start. But what we can do is if you do use edit working pivot, we can actually move this point, I was in this direction, to a shape, or I think place to surface. You can align it to your view and stuff. Anyway, all of this stuff here can be moved, and then when we rotate we can use working pivot. Now that rotate tool is actually on that what do you call it, that point. So if I open up this view, this is top. If I reset this working pivot now and get the move tool out and move it, oh sorry, edit and pivot, set it to this object, and then when I get the rotate tool out, use working pivot, and we can rotate it all the way around. So just that again, and we'll go actually around this object. There you go. That. So this one's a short video, but I'd say very, very handy. Even to scale, you can scale it from here, because I found scaling to be quite difficult. So if I want to scale an object by that much, I would be able to select this image, edit working pivot, move this working pivot to this corner, click scale, use working pivot, and scale from, let's rotate and scale from this point to that point. So this is a quick tutorial.